Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 45. How to edit ads in Microsoft Ad Editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to edit ads in Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. So let's get started. So in your Microsoft Ad Editor, on left you'll get a list of all your campaigns. Select one campaign from here, then below from these options select Ads and Extensions. Then select Expanded Text Ads, here you'll get all these editing options. You can edit your ad title, text, redefine your path, and on right, you have your ad preview. On top, you can see all your ad details, slide the slider for more details. In ad preview, you can see how your ad will look like as sidebar ad and mainline ad. Next we have URL options and then labels. Go back to your editing panel, so this is how you can edit ads in Microsoft Ad Editor. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 46. How to delete a campaign in Microsoft Ad Editor. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to delete a campaign in Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.